You have been doing this from, I think, 8th standard or 7th standard. Resistance means what exactly? Meaning of word, English meaning of resistance?
Hindrance.
Hindrance.
Obstruction.
Or can I say opposition to be more simplified? Opposition. Opposition to the flow of current is called as resistance. Correct, na? Opposition to the flow of current is called resistance. Have you gone till Churchgate by either car or auto? That means via road. Have you traveled till Churchgate by road, not by train, by roadways? Anybody has traveled till Churchgate? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
By road, have you traveled from your residence till Churchgate anytime? Or till the
Yes, sir.
other?
Yes,
So
sir.
if you have traveled, then we get some resistance in between and we stop. That signals, they give us resistance, correct? Na? People
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
moving, they give resistance. So when you are going from Villeparle station to Andheri, Villeparle to Santa Cruz, then there will be more resistance. If you are going to Borivali, then more resistance. If you are going to Churchgate, then more resistance. Where resistance will come more? One station or many stations?
Many stations.
So can I say if I travel longer length, then my opposition to my motion will be more in between by many obstructions?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Can I
sir.
say the resistance will be directly proportional to the length then?
Yes, sir.
Right, heading factors on which resistance depends. I think you might have done in lower class also. Factors on which resistance depends. Factors on which resistance depends. First, resistance is directly proportional to the length, that is R proportional L. Resistance is directly proportional to the length. Second point, this is one door, this is another door through which we can move easily. This is one door, small door. This is big area wala door. So in which case we can move smoothly?
Second one.
Second one. So more the area, less the resistance or not, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means can I say resistance is inversely proportional, resistance is inversely proportional to the area. Hello? Yeah. मुझे नहीं इंटरेस्ट. Resistance is inversely proportional to the area of cross section. That is R proportional 1 upon A. R proportional 1 upon A. Written 2 points. Have you written the 2 points?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Third point, it depends upon temperature. We are not writing direct or inverse because that is characteristics of material. So we are writing just it depends upon temperature. Sometimes it can be direct in case of metal and inverse in case of semiconductors. So it depends upon temperature. Third, it depends upon nature of material. More electron density, it is less. Less electron density, it is more. So it depends upon nature of material. Next heading, define specific resistance. Define specific resistance. It is also called as resistivity. Define specific resistance or resistivity. See, we got R proportional to L and inversely proportional to area. Can I clear now? This much please write, then I will explain further. Define specific resistance or resistivity. Copy it till this. Can I clear now from the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Since therefore we can say R is some constant into L by A. So rho is a constant called as specific resistance or resistivity. If L is 1 meter, A is 1 meter square, then R is same as rho. So I can say specific resistance or resistivity is defined as resistance of a wire having unit length and unit area of cross section. Thus, specific resistance or resistivity is defined as resistance. But specific means particular resistance, as resistance of conductor having unit length and unit area of cross section. So specific resistance or resistivity is defined as resistance of conductor having unit length and unit area of cross section. Please copy till end, then we'll see its unit. Completed till last line? Hello, completed till last time?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll see what is unit of specific resistance. Its SI unit is. See, we got R as rho L by A. I'm interested in unit of specific resistance denoted by rho. R unit is ohm. I think we all know. R is ohm. Length is in meter. Area is in meter square. 1 meter I can cancel. So rho becomes ohm meter. Followed?
Yes, sir.
So SI unit of its SI unit is ohm meter. Symbolically, this omega sign meter. Ohm meter. What is its reciprocal called as?
Conductivity.
Yes, its reciprocal resistivity ka reciprocal is called as conductivity, and resistance wale ka reciprocal is conductance. Its SI unit, this is denoted by sigma. Its SI unit is 1 upon ohm meter, or 1 upon ohm means Siemens per meter, or you can say ohm meter raised to minus 1. Copy. Yes, done.
Yes, sir.
I think you all are eating karanji and ladu, so you're taking time to write. Completed? Pratik, Sanskar, Raut.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ठीक है रख कर. Next heading: color code method to determine value of resistor. So sometimes if resistor is very small, we can't put value on that, so color mark रहता है. By using that color, we can determine value of resistance. Now what is color code method? Suppose this is one resistor. Usually it is in the form of thin cylinder. This is resistance. And there are 4 band. 1, 2, 3, fourth is slightly away. First 2 bands indicates first digit of resistance, second digit of resistance, third one is multiplier of 10 raised to n. N means it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, any integer depending upon that color and its code. And fourth is called tolerance. It is plus or minus in some percentage depending upon what color is given. So value of carbon resistor. Carbon resistor is very large. So you can't write on this because this wire is patla. Patla wire will have more resistance. This you also know. So value of carbon resistor is found by color code method. There are 4 bands marked on the resistor. First 2 band represents significant digit. Third band represents multiplier of integral power of 10. And fourth band, which is slightly away, represents tolerance. Then I'm explaining which color will give you which code. Means which color will give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. Because if I get 0 to 9, I can find any combination. So just draw this diagram and then I'm explaining what to write and then color coding. Then we'll see 2 numerical so that you get idea. Just draw this diagram. Very important. Definitely to be asked in the exam. Either color given find resistance or resistance given find color. You will just write heading and draw this diagram. Below write first digit, second digit, multiplier, tolerance. Yes, done. This also, this much written.
Yes, sir.
Okay, write down the value of carbon resistor is found by color code method. Is found by color code method. In this method, four bands are marked on the resistor. Four bands are marked on the resistor. First two band represents significant digit. Third band represents the multiplier hello hello third band represents multiplier of integral power of 10. Multiplier of integral power of 10. And fourth band represents tolerance. हेलो वो भी चलेगा ना? हाँ नहीं, चैप्टर वाइज भी चलेगा अपने को. आईएससी को ऑर्डर कर दो. किधर गए आप? ठीक है बोल दो उसको लाने के लिए. सीबीएसई का ले लो और आईएससी का लाने बोला ना. हाँ नहीं चलेगा, कोई बात नहीं, चलेगा. ठीक, 12th का है ना? ठीक है, चलेगा. ठीक. Fourth band represents tolerance. Written? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Right. The codes for different colors, are as shown in the table below. So total you have to draw 12 lines. 0 to 9 के लिए वो code and 3 lines for tolerance. 1 minute wait. So color, its corresponding code, then multiplier, last one is tolerance. So color we remember like this: B Roy of Great Britain had very good wife. Here I am writing B Roy of Great Britain had very good wife. This way you can memorize this whites for color. B stands for black, then brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, grey, white. B.B. Roy of Great Britain had very good wife. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then gold, silver, no color. This is for tolerance. Gold means tolerance 5%, silver means plus or minus 10%, no fourth band, then 20% is the tolerance. Tolerance मतलब उससे थोड़ा कम ज़्यादा. So this is different coding. Here if you get third is black, then multiplier 10 raised to 0, 10 raised to 1, 10 raised to 2, 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Right. Make this table properly, write that coding, then I will explain you with two examples. Completed? Done. Okay. Everybody is done. Can I clear it off?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अभी दो एग्जांपल चेक करते हैं कलर कोड से, हाउ टू फाइंड रेजिस्टेंस, और रेजिस्टेंस गिवन देन हाउ टू फाइंड कलर कोड. So first example, color code of resistor is, color code of resistor is yellow, violet, orange, gold. Find its value. First, for different color, I am writing their coding. Yellow, violet, orange, and last one is for tolerance. This I know blindly, plus or minus 5%. Now for coding, I remember like this again. B, Roy, of Great Britain, had very good wife. Yellow color, black, brown, red, orange, yellow. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So yellow stands for digit 4. Clear this much?
Yes, sir.
Green, blue, violet. Violet is which digit? 7?
7.
7. And orange? 3. Correct. So we now found color and its coding. From this we have to write the value. First two digits are called as significant digit. मतलब वो खाली number है. Then into, then tolerance. So that value will be like this. Therefore, value of resistor equals to 47 into 10 raised to 3 plus or minus 5% ohms. Clear? Or you can write 47 kilo ohm plus or minus 5%. 10 raised to 3 is also called kilo ohm. Everybody has followed? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
First
sir.
two digit are just number 47, third wala 10 raised to, last wala tolerance. 10 raised to 3 means 1 kilo. So I wrote 47 kilo plus or minus 5%. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please write down. Usually they will ask you either both color and code or only one, but one sum is fixed in entrance. Yeah, completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second, now we are going ulta. Value given, will find color. From given values of register, find color bands of this register. 330 ohm. We want to find color. Say 330 ohm. Can you write as 33 into 10 raised to 1 ohm?
Yes, sir.
Now 3, 3, 1. These are my coding name. 3 means orange or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So 3 means orange, 3 means orange, 1 means brown. And last wala no color. No color. So therefore, colors are orange, orange, brown. That means if I have to show on this
Sir,
orange,
first is black.
first is red,
Black.
black. What you are saying? I don't get it. First is black. That is 0, na beta?
Yes, sir. Sorry.
So this is nothing but orange color. One band. Next is also orange color. Third one is brown color. Only 3 bands are there. Fourth is not marked. This is the meaning. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Take it. Please write. Fourth wala tolerance band is not shown. Yes, done, I think. Na? Yes, done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next heading. Temperature dependence of resistor of resistance, in fact. Temperature dependence of resistance. So when you heat a metal, what happens? It expands or contracts?
Expands.
It will expand.
Expands.
Now, if it is expanding, that means resistance will increase or decrease or remains constant. Same material.
Decrease.
No, resistance is
Increases.
directly proportional to length. No? So it will increase, correct? No? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it has to increase because length has increased. Huh? So we want what is temperature dependence of resistance or relation between resistance at 0 degree and any other temperature. Just write heading. Written? I'm clearing this. Let R0, RT be the values of resistance at 0 degrees Celsius and T degrees Celsius respectively. Thus, increase in resistance equals to RT minus R0. Experimentally, it is found that increase in resistance, which is RT minus R0, is directly proportional to the resistance at 0 degrees Celsius, that means R0. Meaning of this, if starting resistance is 10, 20, 40, then if 10 is becoming double, it with 20 only increases 10. 20 becomes 40, increases 20. 40 becomes 80, all are double, but increases maximum in last case. So it depends upon original value. That means if somebody has studied everything and again taught once, so naturally he may score more because already he had studied once. But child who starts from 8th standard, so first I have to teach him 8, then 9, then 10, then 11. Directly he cannot understand 11. So it depends originally kitna aata hai, that will increase his IQ level. So it depends upon resistance directly proportional to the resistance at 0 degrees Celsius. Second, increase in temperature, delta T. Now we have 3 students with same IQ level. एक को टीचर 4 घंटा पढ़ाता है, दूसरे को 3 आवर्स, तीसरे के साथ खाली खेलता है. तो जिसका साथ बहुत ज्यादा पढ़ा है उसको ही ज्यादा मार्क मिलेगा. सो ज्यादा चेंज इन टेम्परेचर, ज्यादा रेजिस्टेंस, ओरिजिनल ज्यादा तो भी ज्यादा राइज. So it depends upon two factor, original value and increase in temperature. Till this you all have followed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, just copy, then we will
Yes, sir.
formulate equation. Yeah, please copy. R0, RT be the values of resistance at 0 degree and T degree. Thus increase in resistance equal to RT minus R0. Experimentally it is found that increase in resistance RT minus R0 is directly proportional to the resistance at 0 and increase in temperature delta. हाँ गिरीश, हाँ आज अपन संडे बोला है ना, आज नहीं मैं हम संडे अपन ने बोला ना, फिर हम बोले कि सैटरडे अपन बात करते हैं संडे टाइमिंग का। हाँ आज एक्चुअली कंटिन्यूस लेक्चर है यार। हाँ कल चले, कल कोई भी टाइम चलेगा, आप बोलो कैसा। हाँ चलेगा, अगर देखो अभी भी डिसाइड कर सकते हो अगर आपके पास अवेलेबिलिटी है तो कल का। तो आज फिर लेट कर सकते हैं क्या? लेट लेट यानी कि यार कितना मुझे बोलो, बहुत लेट हो जाएगा। हाँ यार क्योंकि आज मेरा, कल चलेगा कोई, कल कोई भी टाइम चलेगा, आप जैसे बोलेगा वैसे चलेगा। बेस्ट बेस्ट चलेगा, बेस्ट है बेस्ट है। ठीक है थैंक यू चलेगा। यस यस, बाय बाय बाय। पूछ लो यस। Yes, done. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Oh, okay. Now we will formulate one equation depending upon this theory. So I can say therefore RT minus R0 is directly proportional to original value and rise in temperature. Therefore RT minus R0 is equals to some constant R0 delta T. Here where alpha is a constant called as temperature coefficient of resistance, called as temperature coefficient of resistance. Therefore RT equal to R0 plus alpha R0 delta T. So I can say RT equals to R0 1 plus alpha delta T. This is temperature dependence of resistance. I think easy to understand. Directly proportional to original and rise in temperature. This we wrote equal to some constant. That constant is alpha. Don't get mixed with all this. This is proportional and this is alpha. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Please write down. Once you complete, please tell. Done?
Done, sir.
Okay. Define temperature coefficient of resistor. In fact, resistance. रजिस्टर ऑब्जेक्ट को बोलते हैं जो रेजिस्टेंस प्रोड्यूस करेगा. So temperature coefficient of resistance. See, we got RT minus R0 is alpha R0 delta T. So from this alpha is RT minus R0 upon R0 delta T. What is meaning of RT minus R0? Is it increase or decrease or constant? What is that? RT minus R0?
Decrease.
Increase. This line indicates per. Per means upon. So we say per unit. R0 means original resistance at 0 degrees Celsius. And delta
Yes, sir.
T is rise in temperature. So I can,
Yes, sir.
yeah. So I can define like this. Temperature. ये फेवरेट है 11th में कॉलेज एग्जाम के लिए डेफिनेशन. Temperature coefficient of resistance is defined as increase in resistance per unit original resistance at 0 degree Celsius, comma, per degree rise in temperature. Per degree rise in temperature. See, difference in degree Celsius or in Kelvin, are they same or different?
Different.
एक मिनट मीनिंग समझा देता हूं तो आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा. What is difference between 20 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius?
10.
10.
Correct, 10. But when I convert it into Kelvin by adding with 273, now what will be difference? Ten only, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So when
sir.
that means whenever you take difference between two temperatures like 40, 20 in Celsius or after adding Kelvin, तो वो Kelvin का addition subtraction में cancel हो जाएगा. मतलब देखो कैसा 40 plus 273 minus of 20 plus 273. When I open the bracket, then this will be minus 20 minus 273. Cancel हो जाता है ना? Understood? Meaning?
Yes, sir.
So whenever
Yes, sir.
I write difference of Celsius or convert into Kelvin and take difference, it will remain same. तो मुझे लगता है अभी आपको मीनिंग समझ गया मैं क्या बात कर रहा था. हेलो,
Yes, sir.
अब can you tell me then what will be unit of this temperature coefficient of resistance? ये ऊपर वाला चेंज इन रेजिस्टेंस मतलब ओम, नीचे वाला रेजिस्टेंस वो भी ओम. ओम ओम कैंसिल होके खाली डेल्टा टी का देगा मुझे वो यूनिट. डेल्टा टी अगर डिग्री सेल्सियस में लिखा या कैल्विन में लिखा फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला ना, डिफरेंस रिमेन सेम.
Yes, sir.
So can I say its SI unit can be per degree Celsius, मतलब raised to -1 or per Kelvin, one and the same. I hope you followed now meaning. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please copy till this. फिर बाद में फिर यूनिट के बारे में एक बार डिस्कस करके लिखा था. Right. So part 2 is easier as compared to part 1. People say reverse, but I find part 2 is easier. Part 2 means starting from light. Light, electromagnetism, modern physics becomes part 2. Mechanics, matter, kinematics, sound, heat is part 1. So generally in physics you will find 6 sections. Mechanics, heat, sound, light, electromagnetism, modern physics. Hello?
Yes.
Yes, done. Next line, write down. Its SI unit is per degree Celsius or Kelvin raised to -1. Now two more derivations I am doing, which you have done I think in 10th. Equivalent resistance in series and parallel. Have you done that? Two resistance in series, then RS is R1 plus R2. याद है ये?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And parallel then 1 upon 1 upon 1 upon होता है, ये भी याद है?
Yes, sir.
So this two I am doing, then I will be doing numerical for you. एक और लेक्चर में ये चैप्टर का थियरी पूरा खत्म. So maximum will require now 2 lectures to complete this chapter, or max to max 3. So part 2 फटाफट होएगा. After this I will do electrostatics, which is continuation of this only, right? Derive expression for equivalent resistance in series. So generally we find answer for 3, then we conclude same sequence will be followed for 4th, 5th, 6th. Series means one after another. So imagine this is one resistor, this is another, this is third. So consider 3 resistors having resistances R1, R2, R3, R1, R2, R3 connected in series across battery of voltage V to supply constant current I. Current I तीनों resistance से pass होके it will again pass through battery and this cycle will be repeated. Let V1 comma V2 comma V3 be the voltages across R1, R2, R3 respectively. So who is getting divided, current or voltage? Hello? In series, current is divided or voltage?
Voltage.
Correct. Just draw the diagram, then I'm explaining the entire derivation. Draw diagram, please. If you have drawn completed drawing diagram, please tell so that I will explain you the theory now. Okay, done, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see how to find the expression. Consider 3 resistors having resistances R1, R2, R3 to be connected in series across a battery of voltage V to supply current I. समझ के पहला फिर लिखना बाद में. Let V1, V2, V3 be the voltages across R1, R2, R3 respectively. Let RS be the equivalent. Equivalent means total. Equivalent resistance in series. Therefore, by Ohm's law, we know V is IR. So V will become I into RS. Total voltage is total current I, total resistance. And V1, current is same into R1. V2, I R2. V3, I R3. Total voltage is sum of V1, V2, V3 here. So can I say IRS is IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. You all have followed?
Yes, sir.
So now if I cancel I throughout, I get my answer. Please copy till this, then I'm explaining further. Yeah, completed. Completed. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, एक और फिर न्यूमेरिकल करता हूँ. Is it easier than part 1 वाला चैप्टर से? Derive equivalent resistance in parallel. Derive equivalent resistance in parallel. In parallel, current remains same or voltage remains same?
Current remains.
No.
Sorry.
Voltage is same, na? Suppose current I comes here. In this resistance R1, current I1 gets divided and flows. But A और P के बीच में voltage same है. If I connect here another resistor, वापस this is connected between A and B only, but current will be different even though voltage is same. Same way, in third one, R3, current flows is I3. Voltage सबका across में same because these 2 points are fixed. Voltage मतलब 2 point के बीच का difference. If point is A and B, here voltage is 10, here 5. तो ये हमेशा इधर के बीच में distance will be 5 का voltage, 5 का voltage, 5 का voltage. Got it na meaning? What is same?
Yes, sir.
What is same in parallel?
Voltage.
Voltage. So consider 3 resistance R1, R2, R3 connected in parallel across a battery of voltage V to supply constant current I. At point A, current I will get divided into 3 parts: I1, I2, I3 flowing through R1, R2, R3. Diagram followed? Diagram you all have followed?
Sir.
Okay, draw diagram only first. Once you complete, please tell so that I can go ahead. Yeah, shall I clear it now? Diagram part?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Consider consider 3 resistors. Consider three resistors having resistances R1, R2, R3 connected in parallel. Across battery of voltage V to supply constant current I. Let I1, I2, I3 be the currents through R1, R2, R3 respectively. Let Rp be the equivalent resistance in parallel. Therefore, current I is total voltage V upon total resistance Rp. So I1 will be same voltage V upon R1, I2 is V upon R2, V upon R2. मतलब जो भी change हो रहा है ना उसका एम्बेड फाइंडिंग फॉर्मूला. Now total current I is I1 plus I2 plus I3. I is I1 plus I2 plus I3. Therefore, V upon R parallel is V upon R1 plus V upon R2 plus V upon R3. Throughout you can cancel this V. So 1 upon Rp is 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Okay, please copy till this. Done?
Done, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay, dear. Thus, if n resistances are in parallel, then 1 upon R parallel is 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 dot 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 up to 1 upon Rn. Right. And then in note I am writing in series resultant. Resultant मतलब हर एक का total. Resultant is greater than greatest. Meaning of this, if we have 1, 2, 3, 5, 10 connected in series, answer will be greater than greatest. मतलब 10 से भी बड़ा अपना आंसर आने वाला है. In parallel, उल्टा होने वाला है. Resultant is lesser than least. मतलब 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 are in parallel, answer will be less than 1. सबसे कम 1, उससे भी कम. Meaning clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, please copy this much. These 4, 5 lines, then 3 more points I'm writing. Then I will give solve 4, 5 numericals, then we'll stop. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Done? Note written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no. Thirdly, एक अच्छा है भी note. See, आपको पता है शायद, two resistance are in parallel. So it is just 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. So can I say it will be R2 plus R1 upon R1 R2. So R parallel is product upon sum, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So I will write directly like this. When two resistance are in parallel, then Rp is product upon sum. Can you tell me when two equal resistance are in parallel, what will be Rp? When two equal resistance are in parallel. Can anybody reveal this answer? Then what is Rp? Two are equal means R is R square. 2R. Can I write R by 2?
Yes.
Okay. So when N equal resistance are in parallel. अभी दो नहीं है, N resistance are in parallel. N equal are in parallel. Now what will be Rp? Chalo, Amy, can you tell the answer? There are हाँ बोलो. All resistance are equal, they are in parallel and N in number. So what is result? Rp? Like 2 equal to R by 2, 3 equal then R by 3, 4 equal then R by 4, N equal then
R by N.
yeah. So whenever you say such type of things, directly you can answer. Write these points as a note. Then I'm solving few color code wala and then we'll stop. चलो लिख लो इधर तक. हो गया तो बोल देना प्लीज.
Done, sir.
Okay. Find the value of resistance. Find the value of resistance for following color code. First one, blue, green, red, gold. Blue, green, red, gold. Blue stands for which digit?
6.
P.B. Roy of Great Britain. So this is black, this is blue. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct, Amy. 6. What about green?
5.
5. And red?
2.
Red is 2. Gold means tolerance plus or minus 5%. So what will be the value? 65 into 10 raised to 2 plus or minus 5%. This can be written as 6.5 into 10 raised to 3 plus or minus 5%. You can leave the answer at first step also. I am doing till removal of power because usually they will give this option. 6.5 kilo ohm plus or minus 5%. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, copy first one.
Done, sir.
Okay. Second one, I will not help. You will solve. Huh? Second, brown, black, red, silver. Please try. All of you try. Red, red, orange, gold. Right. Orange, white, red, orange, white, red, gold. Fifth one, yellow, violet, brown, silver. First one you got same. Hello.
Yes, sir.
10 into 10 raised to 2, or you can write 1 kilo ohm. Okay. Plus or
Yes,
minus
sir.
10%. हाँ, right अगर ये किया है तो. Third वाला try करो. Red, red, orange and gold. Red stands for 2. 2. Orange किसके लिए बेटा?
3.
6.
Sir, 3.
3. And gold plus or minus 5%. So value equals to 22 into 10 raised to 3 plus or minus 5%, 22 kilo ohm plus or minus 5%. What is fourth answer?
3.9 kilo ohm plus minus 5%.
Perfect, perfect. 3.9 kilo ohm plus minus 5% is perfect answer. Hello? Fifth one, what you are getting?
47 plus minus.
470 ohms.
47 into 10 raised to 1, na?
Yes, sir.
Plus or minus this much ohms. Okay, perfect.
Yes, sir.
So, सबको समझा है color coding अभी?
Yes, sir.
So that's all for today. Next class, reverse I will explain and do some numerical and then theory. As I told, max to max 3 lectures required to complete with MCQ. Then we'll start with electrostatics. That is also almost same length chapter, 4 lectures mein khatam. So by February end, we'll be able to complete your entire syllabus of 11 before your 11th start. See, what a joke, na? No college started, we completed full 11. Chalo, best luck, enjoy. Don't take tension because now you have lot of time. That time you invest in your increasing IQ or clearing the concepts. Yes, that's all for today. Let's meet on Tuesday. This Friday, you will have test on current electricity. Okay.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye
sir.
bye. Take care. Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank
Bye,
you, sir.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye. Take care. Bye.
Current test, do we have